Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair fell 0.8% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.1% during the session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The euro dollar pair exploded 1% in the last session. The stochastic indicator's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The pound rose 0.3% against the dollar in the last trading session. The MACD is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The Aussie dollar pair exploded 1.3% in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Arm, the chip designer backed by SoftBank Group, is in talks with Nvidia to join a group of potential investors to anchor its initial public offering. Nvidia, a longtime partner and client of Arm, is seeking to invest at a valuation of $35 billion to $40 billion. US consumer prices rose modestly in June and registered their smallest annual increase in more than 2 years as inflation subsided further, but probably not fast enough to dissuade the Federal Reserve from resuming raising interest rates this month. European banks are currently leading the global race in providing Bitcoin custody services, in sharp contrast to the regulatory challenges faced by US banks. Deutsche Bank has recently applied for a digital asset license in Germany, while Crédit Agricole's Cassis has already secured crypto custody registration in France.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's gross domestic product will be released at 0600 hours GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 12:30 GMT. Finland's current account at 0500 hours GMT. The US producer price index will be released at 12:30 GMT. The Eurozone's industrial production at 0900 hours GMT. Australia's consumer inflation expectations at 0100 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.